Hi folks, welcome to Module 2, Lesson 20. We're going to continue on with division here. And let's get started with our application problem. Billy has 2.4 meters of ribbon for crafts. He wants to share it evenly with 12 friends. How many centimeters of ribbon would 7 friends get? Now let's note that that was in meters and it's asking about centimeters, so there'll have to be a conversion there. And we know King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. We're going to be going from the unit, which is the meters, to centimeters. That's going to be 2 jumps. So that's going to be 100. Okay. So before we get to that, well, actually, let's go ahead and do that. 2.4 meters into centimeters. So I'm going to say 1 jump, 2 jumps. 2 zeros, 2 jumps. And then here goes a 0. And that is centimeters. And we are going to divide that by 12 friends. So let's go ahead and draw that as a fraction. Oh, that's easy to see right there's 25 divided by 12, which is 2, and add our 0 on. So that'll be 20 centimeters per friend. And so how many centimeters of ribbon would 7 friends get? Well, if this is per 1 friend, we're going to do 20 times 7. That's 0, 140 centimeters. I'm going to write up top. Well, let me check some of this stuff off. Oh, I was going to write each friend, but that's not what I need to write. I need to write 7 friends. Will get, what did I say, 140 centimeters, period. Okay. Well, I don't write very well on here. All right, 7 friends will get 140 centimeters. Nice work. So for today, we're going to continue on with what we've been doing. We are going to estimate, solve, and check. Let's just jump right in and start working here. And some of these, like the first one, for example, this has 17 as the dividend, or the divisor, I'm sorry. And that'll be on our multiplication chart. Although over here, we're going to do 21 over here. So that's not on our multiplication chart. So 21 times 1 is 21. Times 2 is 42. 3 is 63. And I'm going to stop there for now. All right, we're going to take 21, divide it into 49. Of course, we can say 21 goes into 4 0 times. 0 times 21 is 0. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and write that. I'm just going to go ahead and look at 21 goes into 49. Well, 21 goes into 49. It's going to be in here. So we are going to say 2 and 42. We're going to subtract this. We're going to end up with 7. 721. Okay. Oh, we didn't do our estimate. Interesting estimate. I could do 20 and 40, or I could do 25 and 50. This would be 2, and this would be 2. Well, good news. Choose my answer. So, good to go. Now, let's do our check. 21 times 2. So, 21 times 2 is going to be 42 plus 7 is 49. That checks. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. Let's start out with an estimate. 39. I'm going to round that to 40. And I'm going to round 78 to 80. So my answer should be somewhere around 2. So I'll take 39 and divide it into 78. Now let's go over here. 1, 39, 2, 80, 78. Oh, well, there you have it. So the answer here will be 2, will be 78. We'll check it. 39 times 2 equals 78. That checks. Okay. For the next one, sir, I'm trying to make a video here. 32 divided into 84. All right, let's round. I'm going to round to 30. And the 90 is going to be close. And that'll be a 3. So I think the actual answer is going to be a 2 and some change. Because I rounded up pretty hefty on that 84. 64, back to what I'm doing. 96. Whoops. So this is going to be 2, as I said, and I can tell because 84 is going to be in there somewhere. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 20 32s is my remainder. Two times 32 is 64 plus 20 is 84. Nice. That checks. All right, folks. Go ahead and pause the video. Come back. Check your answers. All right, folks, take a look at your work. See how you stack up. Just a note that this number here, that should be an equal sign. This number here should be the same as it's close to right here. So if you wanted to just try and put this number up here first and multiply it through 17 times 4. No, I didn't put it, I didn't list the multiples. Why not? Didn't have to. This is in our multiplication chart in our books. All right. Best of luck to you and see you in the next one.